Good evening, traders. This is Brian with TraderShark.com, an educational website to learn how to trade the S&P E-mini futures. Today is Thursday, September 22nd, 2011. The following are examples of trade setups that occur on a regular basis. We are showing 9 valid trade setups for a max potential profit of 79 ES ticks. The market opened up this morning at 1126.25. That's a gap down by almost 30 points, weighed heavily by the Fed announcement that the economy may take about 7 years to recover. There's a mass influx of money from the stock market into the bond market, lowering the yield. So with that being said, we wanted to keep everything to the bearish side. We have a no trade zone here from 9:30 until 9:45, just a period of time that we don't trade unless we're trading towards the gap fill. In this case, we had a bearish bias to the downside. Coming out of there, you'll notice yellow numbers are numbers that we did not take, either happened too fast or were within a tangled net. In this case, we did not get a chance to take this trade, but it was a valid setup. So we had an opportunity to get short. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 15 ES ticks. Next trade came back, found resistance at the opening price, had an opportunity to get short. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 10 ticks. We then found resistance again at the opening price, pulled back and broke through. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 6 ticks. We were going counter trend, so I scaled out a little bit early for a plus 6 ticks, but if you held in for the full setup, you'd have made a total of 11 ticks. So the yellow are trades that I am not counting. The white are the trades that I am counting. As the morning progressed, again there was a pullback, looked like almost a stop run. Reversal, no support, no resistance. We then had an opportunity to get short. Target 1 was hit and got stopped out for minus 2 ticks. Then with the pullback, we had an opportunity to get long. Target 1 was hit and target 2 was hit for a total of 6 ticks. However, we did this trade primarily because any long trades during this period since this was a counter trend trade, we scaled out at 2 ticks and 4 ticks. However, if you had held on for the full setup, you would have gotten a stop out of minus 2 ticks. As the market progressed, had an opportunity to get short. Target 1 was hit and then got stopped out for minus 2 ticks. Now these are all a period of time the chop was occurring with a tangled net, and so reduced risk stop outs followed reduced risk stop outs, and you've got to know that the plan works. Stick with the plan. Continuing on, an opportunity to get long. Target 1 was hit and got stopped out for minus 2 ticks. We then were looking for an opportunity to get short. Target 1, we had an opportunity to get short right here at about 10:53. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 14 ES ticks. Support again found at the opening price. Support again found at opening price. Continued on, a little bit of congestion around the net. We did not have an opportunity. Again, I did not want to take any long positions, but it did set up nonetheless. We had an opportunity to get long and got a full stop out minus 16 ticks. And then going into the no trade zone, we had an opportunity to get short. Target 1 was hit, got stopped out for minus 2 ticks. We have a no trade zone from 11:30 until 1:15 Eastern Standard Time. Throughout the no trade zone is a period of lower volume and higher volatility. However, we also had what's called a shark attack trade set up during the no trade zone. Now some traders who watched during the no trade zone, they may have had an opportunity to capitalize on this. We have it counted in yellow because we're not counting it for today's trades, but the target 1 was hit, was a total of 2 points, and target 2 was hit for a total of 4 points. That's a total of 6 total points. Times 4 is 24 ticks. Coming out of the no trade zone, we didn't see any other trade setups until we got here to about just before 1 o'clock, just before 2 o'clock. Had an opportunity to get short. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 10 ticks. Found support at the hourly range low. We had an opportunity to get long. Target 1 was hit and got stopped out for minus 2 ticks. Proceeding forward, we had an opportunity to get long. Target 1 was hit and target 2 were hit for a total of 10 ES ticks. Coming into the 2:30 hour, we had an opportunity to get short. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 14 ES ticks. If you had held on for the full setup, you'd have got a total of 20 ticks. So we're only counting the ones in white. As the day progressed, we had another opportunity to get long right here at about 3:30 Eastern Standard Time. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 10 ticks. We did not take that trade primarily because it was in a tangled net area. Then right there at about 3:42, we had an opportunity to get long. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 19 ES ticks. And that was pretty much done for the day. I want to thank you for watching. To learn more about these and more advanced trade setups, or to get a copy of the Trader Shark Trading Manual, please visit TraderShark.com. Thank you and have a great evening.